Microsoft introduced the blurred background effect some time ago already, which uses AI to separate you from your surroundings and then blurs out the background. Really nifty. You can just turn it on when you enter the lobby by toggling this switch here. This feature has just been added to iOS 2, so you can now do this on an iPad or iPhone. If you're on desktop and you're not seeing this option, most likely you're still running Teams through the browser rather than the standalone Teams desktop app. This video explains how to install this if you still need to do it. Now you'll notice that Microsoft have now added the option of adding a new backdrop instead, and they've given a bunch of different backdrops for you to choose from. If you don't like any of the provided backdrops, you can easily add your own. I've been suffering from shelf envy, so I've added my own bookcase here to compete with some of my highly cultivated colleagues. Or I can choose some more artistic or cultural choices instead. So let's have a bit of a competition just for fun. The first person to correctly identify these next few backdrops in the comments below wins a special Smarty Pants shout out in my next video. Here goes. So here's background 1. Where am I? Background 2. Aha! Background 3. Recognize this place? Background 4. Let's do this one. Where am I? And finally background 5. Aha! So drop those in the comments below and win a special shout out. Check out more quick tips over here. For more in-depth videos, click down here. Don't forget to like, subscribe and keep your hands clean, and I'll see you on the next video.